Captain Jonny, and this is Captain Pencil, and today we're going to be drawing a pirate ship. Arr! To start our pirate ship drawing, we've got to draw the hull of the pirate ship, and I'm going to use the colour blue. Make sure you watch out for them sharks though, because we don't want to get eaten. Okay, you ready? We're going to do a curved line, and we're going to start down here. You ready? Here we go. Okay, next on our drawing, we've got to draw a line across to complete the hull of our pirate ship. Here we go. Here's the line all the way across. Fantastic! That looks great. You have a go. Go on, Captain Pencil, show us. It's a curved line. All the way across. All the way, keep going. There you go. That looks grand. Now we're going to draw the captain's cabin, and it's just a rectangle. Follow me. Here we go. We're going to go up and across and down and back again. There we go. That's the cabin that the captain sleeps in. You have a go. Okay, Captain Pencil, draw the rectangle. Go up, across, down, and back again. Next, we're going to draw the railings on top of the cabin. This is so when the captain's sailing the ship, he don't fall off and get eaten by the sharks. You ready? Here we go, all the way across. There's a rectangle again, and then we're going to draw some lines. These are going to be the railings. There we go. Over to you. Okay, Captain Pencil, draw the railings. Yep. Go across right to the end, and then down. Now do the lines on the railings. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done! Whoa, be careful, there's a shark. Whoa, it's gone. Okay, now we're gonna draw the portholes on our pirate ship. You ready? I'm gonna draw 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our 3 portholes. You have a go. Okay, Captain Pencil, watch out for that shark. Okay, you ready? It's 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Now we're going to draw the front part of our ship. It's called the bow. You ready? Okay. And we do that with a line that goes up, down, and then back on itself. You and Captain Pencil have a go. Yep, that's it. Go straight up, then down, and go back. Now we're going to draw the mast that holds the sails. You ready? Okay, it's really easy to do. We start off here, and we go all the way up, across, and down again. It doesn't matter if your line's a little bit wonky like mine. There you go. Okay, you have a go. Come on, Captain Pencil, let's see you draw the mast. Yep. A straight line up there, across, and then back down to the bottom. Brilliant. Now we've got to draw 2 more masts, but they're not going to be as big as that. They're going to be a bit smaller. Watch me. We're going to do one here, all the way up, across and down again. Oh, my line's a bit wiggly. Okay, and then we're going to draw one here as well. You ready? Okay, all the way up. And across and down again. Brilliant. Let's see you do it. That's 1 mast. Okay, pencil, go to the other side. Oh, sorry, I mean Captain Pencil Pencil. Get the next one. Yep, all the way to the top, across, and then down. You're doing such a good job. Our pirate ship's nearly there, but we need to draw some sails so it can move and sail the seven seas. You ready? Okay, here we go. It's really easy to do because it's just some squares like that. Then we're going to do some more. Do one here. And you see, like a square, I've put them lines at the side are a little bit diagonal. They're at an angle. Okay, I'm going to just do one last one here. You ready? Wow, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sails. Go on, Captain Pencil Pencil. You draw some sails on your pirate ship. Right, let me see you draw your sails then. Okay, yep, start at the top then. Yep. It's like a square. It's got slightly angled sides on it. But yeah, that's it. Okay, go to the next one. Across, then down, yeah. And then across again, and then go up. Okay, let's move over to the other sails. Yep. Okay. That's another. Yep, let's do the next. Okay, that's 4. We just need to do the last one now. You ready? Okay. Brilliant. Captain Pencil Pencil, your pirate ship looks marvelous. Now we're going to draw the crow's nest. Just up here. This is where the pirates sit and look out for land and treasure and say, "Oi, land ahead." You ready? Okay, so this is easy. All we need to do is a line, just like that. Then we go up, again at an angle, and then across and down again. And to finish it off, we're gonna just do a little line here like that. And we're gonna use that as a flag post in a bit. Okay, Captain Pencil Pencil, are you gonna put a crow's nest on your pirate ship? Okay, that's it. Go across. Just that line, yep. Then up at an angle, across again, and go down. That's perfect. Oh, don't forget the flagpole. It's just a line. Well done. Now let's do the final detail on our pirate ship. You ready? Okay. So we're gonna do another flagpole, which is just a little line, then another line, 2 more flagpoles. Now we're gonna do the riggings that hold all the sails together. You ready? And it's just the line. So the line goes from here all the way up there. Then another line, a diagonal line all the way down to here. And then the last line, we're gonna go all the way down just to here. So that's our flagpoles and riggings. Let's see you and Captain Pencil Pencil have a go. Okay, Captain Pencil Pencil, let's do our flag posts first. That's 1. That's 2. Now let's do the riggings to hold the sails up. Yep, it's just lines. 1, 2, and the diagonal lines. 3, all the way to the bottom. Well done. Yes, your riggings look great. Let's do our final details on the hull. Let's go. And all we're going to do is lines all the way across, because the hull of pirate ships are made out of wood. And these are our wooden slats. One more. Brilliant. Now, no pirate ship is complete without some flags on it. So let's put the flags just to finish our drawing. There's one. And this is going to be a long flag. Wiggly line. Going to go back on ourselves and back again. And another wiggle because the flag's blowing in the wind. That's our pirate ship complete. Go on, Captain Pencil Pencil, finish your pirate ship off. Okay, Captain Pencil Pencil, let's do the lines on the hull. Oh, and be careful, there's a shark coming past. Okay, you ready? 1. Yep, straight line all the way across. 2, the next one. Yep, all the way. 3, yep, keep going. The last one. Yep, brilliant. That's the detail done on the hull of the pirate ship. Let's go to the top and we'll draw the flags. I had 3 flags on mine. Okay, you ready? Let's start in the middle. Okay, it's like a rectangle again. Now let's do a wavy flag. Yep, that's a wavy line. We go back on ourselves and back out again. And then another wavy line. Yep, and let's do the last flag on the crow's nest. Yep. That's brilliant. Well done. Ah, look at the pirate ship. It looks fantastic. I've really loved drawing a pirate ship with you and Captain Pencil Pencil. Now we need to bring it to life. You ready? Captain Pencil Pencil! Hey, how you doing? Right, we need you to say, Pencil Pencil, bring our pirate ship to life. You ready? Pencil Pencil, bring our pirate ship to life. Whoa, look at it. Look at the sails and the flags. They look great. It's moving. Wonder where it's sailing to. If you've enjoyed drawing a pirate ship with me and Captain Pencil Pencil, make sure you look at our other drawing videos. Bye!
Let's learn and draw with Jonny! Let's learn and draw with Jonny!
It's me, Jonny, and this is Pencil Pencil, and today we're gonna draw a mermaid tail. Yes!
It's drawing time!
To start our mermaid tail drawing, I'm gonna do 2 curved lines, and I'm gonna use the colour pink. Watch how I draw the curved lines. I'm gonna start here, right about here, and curve all the way down to the bottom. Now I'm gonna draw another curved line. And this curved line is going to start right about here, and we're gonna curve the same direction, but then we're gonna go out and go the other way and curve all the way to the bottom. Wow! Why don't you and Pencil Pencil have a go? That's it, Pencil Pencil. That's a really good curved line. Now do the other curved line. Go the same direction, and then you go the other way. Perfect! Now I'm gonna draw the fins on our mermaid's tail. Watch me. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna go all the way up to there. Now I'm gonna draw another curved line on the other side. Ready? Wow! That's our mermaid's fin. Your turn, Pencil Pencil. Ooh. Yeah, that's it, Pencil Pencil. Now the other side. Ooh. That's brilliant. Now let's finish the mermaid's fin. Okay, so we're going to do this by starting right here in the middle. Ready? And I'm going to go up, down, and up again. Now we're going to do it on the other side. You ready? So I'm going to go up, down, and up again. That's our fin of our mermaid. That's it. Up, down, and then up again. Let's go to the other side. Up, down, and up again. Well done, it looks really good. Now we need to do the finishing touches to our mermaid. You ready? I'm going to start by doing the scales. Watch this. They're just curved lines like that. Can you do that? That's our first set of scales, and we go all the way up the mermaid's body. Just curved lines like that. You and Pencil could have a go while I'm finishing the scales off on my mermaid drawing. That's the scales on our mermaid tail. Let's see how Pencil's getting on. That's good, Pencil. Those scales look fantastic. You're getting on really good. You're nearly there. Whoa, well done. Oh, I forgot. We've got to draw some lines on our fin. And I've got to draw 3 lines on each side. You ready? We're going to start by drawing one in the middle, like that, and it's a curved line. Ready? I'll draw another one. This is the second curved line, like that. We'll do the last one, just up here. Oh, another curved line. Now I'm going to do it on the other side now. You ready? Another curved line. Then I'm going to do one below it. It's our second curved line. And then one at the top. Another curved line. That's our mermaid fin. Let's see you and Pencil do it. Remember, it's just a wiggly line, and we've got to do 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. Now go to the other side, Pencil. Yep, again, it's just a wiggly line. 1, 2, and the last one, 3. Wow, that looks brilliant. Well, I've loved drawing a mermaid tail with you. It's been so much fun. Now we need to bring our mermaid tail to life, and we need Pencil to do that. So, you ready? Pencil! Pencil, it's so good to see you. Have you enjoyed drawing a mermaid tail? Me too. Right, we need your help to bring the mermaid tail to life. And we need your help too. You've got to say, Pencil, bring the mermaid tail to life. You ready? Pencil, bring the mermaid tail to life. Whoa! Oh, it looks so glittery. And I love all the different colours. It looks beautiful. Oh, the mermaid's moving. Bye. If you've liked drawing with me and Pencil, why don't you have a look at our other drawing videos? Bye.